more lies.
What up, buddy bays? As you probably know by now, it's label week, and we gotta do Shameless. Personally, I don't own a lot of Shameless release. I own one that I really like. The whole packaging, the packaging is why I bought this movie to begin with. And that's Ruggiero Deodato, The Washing Machine. Giallo from 1993. A Giallo that isn't really talked about. I think for dude, come on, dude, stop this. So yeah, a Giallo that isn't really talked about, but I get why it's not that like mainstream or mentioned. This is not a good movie. Honestly, like it's about three sisters. The movie opens up. You got those three sisters. One brings a dude back at her place, and one of the sisters like wakes up in the middle of the night, and she like hears like a washing machine going on and just rolling, and then she opens it up. It's all bloody. It's all messy. It's like a dismembered body in it. Next morning, it's nowhere to be found, and then a police officer, like not a police officer, but like an investigator, however you say it in English, since I'm French Canadian, a detective, I guess, yeah, detective. Um, Basically goes on to investigate those the three sisters to find out how the fuck did this shit happen, even if there's nobody to be found. Again, doesn't really make sense. This movie is so slow and boring. It, dude, it's mind blowing. It's so poorly paced. It's incredible. I love my my release, honestly, just for the look of it. Let's say I had like two or three friends come over and say, "What are some dope ass motherfucking like physical release you own?" I would be like, "This one. It's like basically a washing machine with a corpse in it. I mean, it's a no brainer. It's pretty fucking dope." Would I show him the movie though? No, absolutely not. The transfer ain't that great, honestly. It's not worth it. I don't know if it's even still available. Steel, get it? Steel book, steel. Yeah. Honestly, it's just not worth it. I paid maybe $40 for it, like on the second-hand market, and I don't recommend you do the same as I did. It's not just not worth it. Now, some people say the soundtrack's pretty great. I do agree that the soundtrack is pretty enjoyable. Nothing magical or as good as soundtracks like Spasmo when it comes to Giallo or some shit like that. It's pretty weak, in my opinion. This is my least favorite Diodato movie, so tells you enough. But still, if you want to see this movie on DVD, go ahead and pick it up. I mean, it's very good looking, but it's not really worth it. Until next time, see y'all.